Hi, I'm Sarah and I am Functional Rustic. In the Functional Rustic DIY video this week, we're going to learn how to turn a fork into a rustic business card holder or photo display. And believe me when I tell you, it's going to be forking awesome, and it's also really, really easy. So all you're going to need is your fork, a lighter, needle nose pliers, and a vise. All right, let's get started. So like I said, it's really easy. All right, first we're going to start with our fork here and our pliers. Now I want to make something that is similar to what I already have, but I do already have this, so I'm not going to replicate it. I'm going to make something different. Something else to keep in mind, I taught myself how to do this about 2 days ago. Back when it was 80 degrees outside, I was going to do the video then, but I was hot and sweaty and thought I'd wait for it to cool down. Well, it's 40 degrees in the barn today, so that's what I get for procrastinating. All right, so we got our fork here, and we got our pliers. All right, you see what I've done there? Now all I'm going to do is bend it. That's so cool. All right, so I've got my fork bent. It wasn't that hard. I mean, I'm strong, but I'm not Hulk. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side because I want them to match. All right. Oh. All right, again, I'm folding them down. Look at that. Okay. First of all, that just looks kind of cool. I'm already proud. All right, now what I want to do with these guys is I'm going to curl them this way so that they're going to be the front of it. So I'm going to start up here at the top, and I'm just going to roll. This is harder than I thought. All right, that's what we've got so far. And I want to do it one more time. Oh, that looks cool. All right, so I want to do the same thing on this side. So, sorry, I keep forgetting I'm trying to film this. All right, again, I'm going to fold it. All right, and one last time. All right, those aren't as even as I would like, and I need to figure out how to fix that. But already, it's looking pretty neat. Let's see if I've got. So this is kind of what we've got so far. Ooh. All right, so I've got these guys here that I'm gonna want to roll in. I don't have space there. Okay, push that up a little bit. All right, now I've got room to do what I want to do. And I'm gonna have these, I don't know, we'll just bend it and see what it looks like. The general theme of stuff, as you might have guessed, is just bend it and see what it looks like. I don't really have a plan going in, what I want it to end up like. I'm just gonna keep doing stuff until it looks cool. Woo. There we go. All right, well, things are are happening. All right, this does not look as cool as the first one that I did. I'm not entirely certain why it doesn't look as cool. Maybe it'll make more sense when it's the other way. All right, well, we're gonna go on to the next step. And hopefully once I have it bent, it'll start to look more like a business card holder and it won't be hard to visualize what I'm doing. All right, so now we're gonna get the vise out. Now what I wanna do in order to get this fold is I want it to be, I wanna try to bend it right here. That's the goal. We're gonna see how that works out. I tried to do that on this one, and as you can see, it didn't really work. So the base of it was bigger than I liked. All right, I'm gonna bend it that way. So I stick this in. All right, well, this is gonna get tricky. I gotta light this. Cold. All right, so the reason why I'm using the lighter on this part of the fork and I didn't use it on the top part is this metal is a lot thicker than this. And the fact that it's got a design in there, it's going to be easier to do the bend that I need if it's warm. I imagine you could do the same on the sporks if you were having some difficulty. But I have concerns that when you heat something up and then it cools down, it becomes more brittle. So unless you get the fold on the metal while it's hot and in place, my concern would be if you let it hot and chill and all that stuff, that it could become more brittle. I haven't tried it, so I don't know. That's just my guess, and that's why I'm not doing it that way. So for this, I'm going to be making just the one fold, so I feel confident putting the fire on it. Okay, let's see what happens. All right. So I'm just heating up the metal. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Oh, this is what I was afraid of. Crap. Oh. Beautiful. Okay. All right, we're getting there. Whew. All right, so I've got a flat surface now. Keep bending it. All right, yeah, it's definitely harder to bend when it's not hot. But I've got the general concept down. Now this part is way too low. There's no way I'm gonna be able to have that level. So now I've got to curl them back up again so that I've got a flat surface. Maybe it'll make it look cooler. All right. Uh-oh. I didn't want to do that. Uh-oh. All right, well, so it broke it. That's happening. Oh, no. All right, well, we're gonna roll with it. It's one of a kind. Crap. That's unfortunate. I imagine the fact that it's 40 degrees in here is a factor in why it broke. Crap. All right, so here we go. Ooh, that's kind of neat. Now I wonder if I could get this piece to break off so they match. Hey, it did. Look at that. All right. Yeah, if you bend it too much, it breaks. Look at us learning so much together. So this is what we've got right now, which is actually kind of nifty. Once again, it's not level the way I'd like it to be. I suspect that is fixable. Ugh. All right, we're problem solving here. Hey, it'd be great if it wasn't windy right now. All right, so what I'm seeing